Sleepy John is. Are you back at that pile again? Where's that white stuff? One. Oh, there's other birds there. It's not just pigeons. Oh, what are you doing? Oh. There's other birds, not just, there's a mourning dove. Oh, what are you? Oh, what are you, little black bird? I don't know what it is. Might be John's. The five pigeons. Oh, the Herem. That's the Herem. What's up, Herem? You got a little addition with you? Oh! 2 little additions with you? 579. I keep picking up on 579. Oh, look at that! Yards truck, 411. What's the 411, broski? What's the 411 with the Herem? Oh, 579. That used to be a store. Yeah, those are my sizes. I'm about anywhere between, depending on the clothes. Yeah. Speaking of that, I'm going to Target to get this t-shirt that I wanted. That's only $2.40 because I have exactly $2.40. So I'm bored and I have nothing to do. So I'm going to go and buy this shirt to make myself feel better. Yay!